towering mountains to hidden islands, the world is filled with places that seem too extraordinary to be real. Yet they exist, defying the limits of our imagination. These locations are not just breathtaking in their beauty, but they also come with intriguing histories, myths, and wonders that leave us in awe. In this video, we'll explore 7 unbelievable places that actually exist, each one more stunning and mysterious than the last. Get ready to be amazed. Mount Roraima, the lost world that actually exists. Deep in the heart of South America lies one of the most extraordinary places on Earth, Mount Roraima. This flat-topped mountain, located at the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, rises to a height of 2,810 meters, 9,219 feet, above sea level. It's part of the Guyana Highlands, and its unique shape and towering cliffs have inspired stories of ancient, undiscovered lands. The mountain's summit is a world of its own, with lush forests, unusual wildlife, and a landscape so alien it seems straight out of a fantasy novel. It's believed that the mountain's flat top was formed millions of years ago when tectonic plates shifted, creating the isolated environment that still exists today. The first recorded ascent of Mount Roraima was in 1884 by a team led by British explorer Everard M. Thurn. Since then, it has become a popular destination for trekkers and adventurers, though it's still an arduous journey to the top. For centuries, the mountain has captivated explorers and inspired myths, most famously influencing Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel, The Lost World. Mount Roraima is truly a natural wonder that continues to fascinate people around the world. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest mirror. In the heart of Bolivia, there is a place so vast and stunning that it appears to defy reality. Salar de Uyuni, covering an area of over 10,000 square kilometers, 3,900 square miles, is the world's largest salt flat. Formed from the remnants of an ancient lake that dried up around 10,000 to 15,000 years ago, the salt crust creates a surreal, reflective surface that seems to stretch endlessly into the horizon. During the rainy season, the flat becomes a giant mirror, reflecting the sky above so perfectly that it's nearly impossible to distinguish where the ground ends and the sky begins. This natural optical illusion makes it a favorite spot for photographers and travelers seeking otherworldly landscapes. The salt is also a valuable resource, as the region contains a significant amount of lithium, an essential component for batteries. Despite its barren appearance, the area is rich in wildlife, including flamingos and other bird species that thrive in the surrounding wetlands. Pamukkale, the terraces of heaven. In the heart of Turkey, there exists a natural wonder that looks like something straight out of a dream. Pamukkale, often referred to as the Cotton Castle. This stunning formation consists of white, crystalline terraces made of travertine, a sedimentary rock deposited by hot springs over thousands of years. The terraces, which resemble cascading waterfalls of snow, are filled with warm, mineral-rich waters that have made Pamukkale a popular destination for centuries. The name Pamukkale comes from the Turkish words pamuk, cotton, and kale, castle, which describe the soft, cotton-like appearance of the formations. These terraces are located in the Denizli province, and they have been a popular bathing spot since Roman times, with the ancient city of Hierapolis lying just above the terraces. The Romans built baths here, capitalizing on the healing properties of the hot spring waters. The Door to Hell, a fiery abyss in Turkmenistan. In the vast, desolate desert of Turkmenistan, there exists a haunting natural phenomenon known as the Door to Hell. Located near the village of Derwize, this fiery crater has been burning continuously since 1971, creating a terrifying yet mesmerizing sight. The crater, which measures about 70 meters, 230 feet, in diameter, was created when a Soviet drilling rig accidentally collapsed into a cavern filled with natural gas. To prevent the spread of methane gas, the decision was made to set the crater alight, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. However, over 50 years later, it continues to blaze, earning it its infamous name. The Door to Hell has become a popular yet eerie tourist attraction, drawing visitors from around the world to witness its infernal glow in the middle of the night. The intense heat and the constant flames make it an unforgettable sight, as it appears to be an entrance to another world. Despite the harsh environment surrounding the crater, a variety of desert life, including scorpions and insects, manage to survive in this extreme place. The door to hell serves as a reminder of nature's power and the unpredictable results of human exploration. Antelope Canyon, nature's sculpted masterpiece. Hidden in the desert of Arizona, USA, lies a canyon so beautiful it seems almost unreal, Antelope Canyon. This narrow, twisting slot canyon is famous for its undulating walls, which have been shaped over thousands of years by flash floods and erosion. The canyon is divided into two sections. Upper Antelope Canyon, known for its light beams and vibrant colors, and Lower Antelope Canyon, which features more narrow passageways and intricate formations. The canyon's walls, carved from soft sandstone, glow with warm, golden hues, especially when sunlight filters through the narrow openings above. The result is an ethereal play of light and shadow that creates a magical atmosphere, making it one of the most photographed places in the world. The light beams, visible mainly in the summer months, create a surreal effect as they pierce through the canyon, making it look like beams of light from another dimension. Antelope Canyon was originally discovered by the Navajo people and is located on Navajo land. It is open to the public through guided tours, as the canyon can be dangerous due to flash floods. Despite the challenges, Antelope Canyon remains one of the most sought-after natural wonders, captivating visitors with its stunning beauty and otherworldly atmosphere. Mount Erebus, the fiery heart of Antarctica. In the frozen expanse of Antarctica, one of the world's most extreme and remote environments, lies Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on Earth. Standing at an imposing height of 3,794 meters, 12,448 feet, Mount Erebus constantly emits a plume of smoke, sulfur, and volcanic gases, making it a rare spectacle in the icy landscape. First discovered in 1841 by explorer Sir James Clark Ross, the volcano has intrigued scientists and explorers for centuries. It is unique because, unlike many other volcanoes, Erebus features a permanent lava lake at its summit, which glows with an eerie, bright orange light at night. This constantly churning lava lake, which is one of the few in the world, has fascinated geologists, as it offers a window into the inner workings of the Earth. Despite the harsh conditions, Mount Erebus remains a popular site for research, especially for those studying volcanic activity and the environment of extreme cold. Socotra Island, the alien landscape of Yemen. Located in the Arabian Sea, off the coast of Yemen, lies Socotra Island, a place so isolated and unique that it has earned the nickname the Alien Island. Covering an area of about 3,600 square kilometers, 1,400 square miles, Socotra is home to an extraordinary collection of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The island's landscape is unlike anything you might imagine. Its most iconic feature is the Dragon's Blood Tree, a bizarre-looking tree with an umbrella-shaped canopy and red sap that has been used for centuries in medicine and dyes. Socotra is also known for its unique flora, such as the Socotran cedar and the Socotra squill, as well as a variety of endemic species of reptiles and birds, including the Socotra cormorant. Socotra's isolation, caused by its separation from mainland Africa millions of years ago, has allowed life on the island to evolve in its own peculiar way, making it a living laboratory of evolution. The island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, though its remote location and limited infrastructure mean that only a few travelers ever make the journey. Socotra remains one of the most intriguing and otherworldly places on the planet, offering a glimpse into a landscape that seems straight out of a science fiction story.